Good afternoon. Today I am going to give presentation on the topic biocomputing. But before we begin, let me show my ID, which is a requirement for this project. So here is my passport ID. Also have my student ID, but it is a little blur, so I used passport ID first. So here is my student ID, and that's my photo on it, and it is my student number. So let's begin the presentation by defining biocomputing. Biocomputing uses biological molecules and living systems to carry out computational tasks, integrating biology and computer science and engineering. Unlike traditional silicon-based computers, biocomputing leverages living components with unique features like self-organization and adaptability. The systems can process information massively in parallel, operating at molecular and cellular level, which classic systems can match. Two prominent examples are DNA computing, which uses DNA strands to encode and solve problems through molecular reactions, and organoid intelligence, where human brain cells are cultured in three dimensions to form neural network capable of learning and adaptation. With this foundation, let's explore one core technology: genetic circuits. Genetic circuits are fundamental to biocomputing, designed to carry out logic operations similar to electronic circuits. These circuits perform functions like AND or NOR gate by regulating gene expression inside living cells. RNA molecules serve as logic gates by controlling downstream gene activity, enabling complex computation. Technologies such as CRISPR Cas9 allow us to edit genes with higher precision, improving circuit design and reliability. Additionally, microfluidic devices help maintain controlled cellular environment to support dynamic circuit function. These circuits are used in biosensors to detect specific molecules and trigger responses, as well as in smart delivery systems. However, challenges such as biological variability and context dependency and lack of standardization is limited large-scale application. Now, moving forward from gene circuits, let's discuss an exciting frontier: organoid intelligence. Organoid intelligence involves growing three-dimensional brain organoids that mimic the architecture and function of human brain. These organoids contain diverse neuron types connected via complex synapses, supporting learning and memory processes not possible in simpler 2D cultures. Currently, organoids have 50,000 cells, but research aims to scale them to millions to enhance computational capacity. Brain-computer interface enable two-way communication, allowing scientists to program organoid activity and read their responses. Compared to silicon-based AI, organoid intelligence offers superior energy efficiency and parallel information processing. However, ethical concerns, especially about possible organoid consciousness, are being carefully addressed through oversight and regulations. Let's now look at how these advances are applied in medicine and agriculture. Biocomputing has practical applications in medicine and agriculture. In medicine, biosensors created from genetic circuits allow highly sensitive detection of disease biomarkers, enabling early diagnosis and personalized treatments. Brain organoids derived from patient cells model neurological diseases like Alzheimer's, providing better platform for drug testing and compared to animal models. Interestingly, cultured neurons have demonstrated adaptive learning by playing video games such as Pong, highlighting their computational potential. In agriculture, synthetic genetic circuits have been engineered into plants to detect and respond intelligently to environmental stresses, improving resilience in crop yield. Integrated metabolic and transcriptional circuits help plants allocate resources efficiently, optimizing their growth. Next, let's explore the broader global benefits of biocomputing. Biocomputing global impact is substantial. Biological systems inherently consume far less energy than traditional silicon-based computers, offering greener computing alternatives and reducing the environmental footprints of data centers. DNA-based data storage systems provide extremely high density and low-term durability, addressing the growing need for data capacity worldwide. In personalized medicine, patient-specific organoids enable highly customized drug screening and disease modeling, improving the therapeutic outcomes. In agriculture, biocomputing innovations produce crops that autonomously respond to environmental stressors, which enhances food security while reducing reliance on fertilizers and pesticides. Ultimately, biocomputing combines computational precision with the complex of living systems and supporting sustainable and adaptive technologies. Moving on, let's see the ethical and societal challenges facing biocomputing. Despite its promise, biocomputing raises important ethical and societal issues. The possibility that brain organoids might develop form of consciousness bring profound moral questions about their treatments and rights, requiring transparent public engagement and strict regulations. Issues around ownership and informed consent for human-derived biological materials must also be addressed to protect donors. Biological technologies face safety risks due to the inheritance, noise, and unpredictability of biological systems, which may cause malfunctions or unintended evolution. Moreover, the lack of standardized biological components hinders reproducibility and large-scale development. Finally, the high cost and complexity of biocomputing could exacerbate societal inequalities, limiting access to advanced healthcare and agriculture solutions. These challenges must be met with responsible oversight and inclusive policies. To conclude, biocomputing is an exciting field merging biology and computational science to create adaptive and innovation computing system. It promises breakthroughs across medicines, artificial intelligence, and agriculture, offering sustainable and highly efficient technologies. However, the field also requires careful attention to ethical safety issues and equitable access. While the potential of Bio- biocomputing is enormous, it's equally important to approach its development with strong ethical framework and global collaboration to ensure responsible use. To acknowledge the resources, I have provided the reference. These are the references that supported this presentation on biocomputing. They explore the field from multiple angles, scientific foundations, technical innovations, and real-world applications. So this concludes the presentation. Thank you for your time.